these video styles are making small TikTok shop affiliates rich in 2024. I'm going to walk you through two different video types, both for people that want to show their face and for faceless content creators. We're going to talk about how much money, what they promoted, and talk about what the potential is for you as a TikTok shop affiliate. I'm going to reveal a tool that I like to use as well, which makes it stupidly easy for you to find all this information. Let's jump straight in. Creator generated $187,070 as a TikTok shop affiliate in the United States this year. Not to mention that they are a small TikTok shop affiliate account with 5,000 followers, which is the minimum that you need to qualify for TikTok shop affiliate in the United States of America. So how did they go about doing this? How much commission did they make out of this exactly? And quite interestingly, what video type did they do to earn this much commission? There's a certain thing that they did in this video which allowed this video to go viral in order for them to make as many sales as they did. In fact, I'm going to play it for you in just a second, and then we're going to come back and talk about what happened. So as you can see, they literally do not say anything at all in the video. There's just some words on the screen. They've got the product clearly visible on the screen. It's this Guru Nanda pulling oil, and they have done an old trick which has been proven to work in many social media platforms. It doesn't work 100% of the time, but it increases your chances of going viral. And what they've done is a looping video here. And as you can see, if I play the video again, it's a very, very seamless loop. It was very cleverly done. All they do is they come in, they use the Guru Nanda stuff, looking at the mirror, and they walk straight back out, and the video seamlessly loops to them again coming back in the room, doing that and walking straight back up. Very cleverly done. There were no ads used to promote the video. All of it is just organic reach, and it's crazy. The 14-second video, and it's generated them some affiliate revenue. Of course, the revenue is not what they took home, that is what they generated in sales for the shop that they're promoting for. In terms of how much they made exactly from this video, we can find that out if you go into the product marketplace and you search for Guru Nanda pulling oil. That'll give you an idea of how much commission you can earn when you promote. In the UK, which is where I'm based, the average commission amount is 5%. So that means this creator would have received around 5% of $187,070 as commission for them to take home. What's crazy about TikTok shop affiliate is the 5% that is showing on my dashboard, on my product marketplace, is not necessarily what this creator could have received, because one, there are multiple different shops that promote Guru Nanda. This is one shop that I was looking at on my product marketplace. This creator could have been promoting the same product, just being sold by a different shop. It could have been a new shop, meaning that they could have been offering higher commissions in order to entice people to promote their product. So what this means for you as a TikTok shop affiliate in that situation is you could have easily earned 10%, 20%, 30, or even 40%. You've also got a conversion rate here. Get a rough idea of how much of that converted into sales. Now, you don't even need to work it out because they do give you the revenue here, but Shoplus is really good tool because it just gives you all of that data that you can look at in order to reverse engineer what's happened here exactly. And by the way, I have linked Shoplus in the description if you want to go and check it out. And if you use my link, you'll get 15% off as well. Just worth mentioning, it's a really good tool to get data insights on TikTok shop affiliate at the moment. So if you're someone that's just starting out and you're trying to decide what to promote, and you want to look at how people are doing promoting those products, what niche to go into, it's a really good tool for those purposes. There's a whole lot more you can do with it, but it's got this really good product search feature, which I'm just going to click here on the left hand side so you can see here. Again, linked in the description, linked in the pinned comment. Go and check that out. Now, another thing I wanted to highlight in this video is not only can you have a look at the video, as I've shown you earlier, that's generated this much but you can also download the script as well to understand what happened. Now, the crazy part is, again, they didn't say anything in this video, so there's not much of a script to download. But if you came across a similar video to this on Shoplus, you would have the ability to download a video, and you can also get an idea of what they're saying exactly in that video in terms of the script. The crazy part is, in this instance, you have access to essentially $187,070 worth of script and worth of video. So that's the value of this video as it stands, because that's how much money is generated. So using tools like this, you get access to that information and a ton of other similar tools and similar videos that you can gain inspiration from as well. As you can see, all these different creators here that have promoted these different products, and you can also see how much money they've made promoting these products as well. If you are a faceless TikTok account and you are trying to find ways and find niches to get into TikTok Shop Affiliate and start making money, again, I've got you. If you look at this example here, this is also on Shoplus. You can see the rankings of the different creators, and this is where you can find inspiration on how to go about creating your own account, what to do with your account, what niche to go into, etc. Whether you're faceless, not faceless, and all that sort of stuff. This creator here, this is a faceless account. This is an AI. I know this because I've talked about them in a previous video before. So if I click on here, as you can see, this is taking us onto their page, and you can see here this specific video promoting the same product, Guru Nanda, 37 seconds long. This has generated them since February 13th, 2024, 120,580 in revenue. Now, this is revenue for the shop, of course, but when it comes to the commission that they've earned, it'll most likely be around the 5% mark. It could be more, but considering that they got 12.2 million views, again, it's very likely that the shop raised the commission and it allowed them basically to inspire them to promote the product more and more and more. And so it could have gone anywhere from, like, 10%, 20, 30%, or even 40% in some instances. So they could have earned nearly half this amount in commission, and they've not even got that many videos. They've only got 13.7k followers, and again, TikTok Shop is not really tied to how many followers you've got. As you would have seen from my previous example, you could have 500 followers, you could have 5,000 followers. All they care about is how many people see the product and how many people convert from viewers into buyers. I'm just going to quickly play this video as well so you can get an idea of what happens. You might not hear the audio, but you'll get the idea that you should see that it's a AI generated video. So as you can see, completely AI generated. There is an AI voice in there as well. Again, you probably can't hear it now, but you can see the captions on the screen that go with the voice, so you get an idea of what they're saying. And literally that's it. And I have done a video in the past that walks you through the entire process of creating a faceless AI generated TikTok Shop affiliate video as well. I will link that in the description somewhere so you can go and check it out at some point after watching this video. And that is pretty much how this video is generated. They've got the product there. They've basically taken different clips of different people that have the product in hand, so they include the product in the video. One of the requirements for a TikTok Shop affiliate video is that it needs to have the product in the video. You don't necessarily need to have it in hand. Yes, it's ideal to have it in hand, but as long as it's in the video and the TikTok AI can see that, then you have met the requirements for that to qualify as a TikTok Shop affiliate video. So 2 examples here, both face showing and faceless. And it's quite interesting because the one with the face, they say nothing, and the faceless one, AI generated one, they do have some narration, but they do not show their face, obviously. So this should give you an idea that even if you don't want to show your face as a TikTok Shop affiliate, you can still make a decent income. The first example that I showed you, this one here, so they earned around 9,000 if they did earn 5% commission with the Guru Nanda pulling oil. And with this one here, they would have earned slightly less than that, assuming that it was 5%. It's very likely that it could have been more than that. So, they could have earned potentially around close to half the amount that I've mentioned, maybe 5-6k, depending on how much commission they got exactly. But it's crazy how much the opportunity is still there for you to earn money as a TikTok Shop affiliate in the United States of America, even though there's a potential ban looming. For the people that are letting that hype drive them to not taking any action while the opportunity is still there, that could be one of the biggest mistakes that you are making if you're someone that is trying to earn money as a TikTok Shop affiliate in the United States. Again, the tool I'm using will be linked in the description. It'll be linked in the pinned comment as well. There's a video on the screen right now that walks you through how to go about creating your own faceless AI generated videos. I will see you in there.